ang mga kaso anatomy. Pag nandiyo yung mga, kay, for example, in fairness sa saging, what if mo nang nimahal siya kay grabe ilang palusot, wa sila muagi sa dalan kay grabe dakop. Everybody, let's stay at home, please lang. Di ta maglabad sa ulo, medyo labad sa ulo, labi ng kagayan di oro karon. Be sure always to calibrate your drone. Good morning, guys. Another day. Another day. So quiet. Good morning. Alright, mato pa ni Digong, pasyal-pasyal sulod sa inyong balay. So, yeah, I remember, kaning among terrace, ang burag duge-duge na kuha kanhi. So, while waiting kay si Mami ni Gawas, neto SNR, and bago lang siya nag-PM na grabe kataas. Imagine ninyo kanang SNR on a daily basis, luag kayo nag-parking lot. Karon, taas kayong linya sa sakyanan pagpasulod pa lang. Or pero basin taas lang tungkol kayo nag-disinfect, no? Pero actually ang gasulod. So, good luck, Mami. Kay medyo wala na may Lysol. Balita lang ako, baragwa daw Lysol karon. Together with me is my daughter, my beautiful daughter, who's a solid fan of SB19. What? We're here in the terrace. Hangin mo na diri, oh. I just love it. One best thing aning among village, dili sa paghinambaw pero nang hinambaw yun. Forest kaya siya. In between two mountains. Oh, green.
Everything is green.
Everything is green. We're actually tunga sa forest.
Everything is green.
Yeah, lala sa mong likod, forest. There's
What? It's a forest?
Yeah, it's a forest.
So there's animals.
So that's why there's fresh air. I don't know kung madunggan man ninyo ang kuan.
Why
Fresh air. Someday sakto na.
Fresh girl. It's just the wind. Daddy, when I was going outside by Daddy, I saw the door was closing. It's so hard.
So the air.
Fresh girl. It's fresh girl, not earth.
One, two, three. Then one. One, two, three. Then one, two, three. One more. 2. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. All right, it's cooking time.
You want to get some food? Yeah, what do you want to get from
Ah, it smells good. Separate eggs.
Yeah.
You might get the bigger part. There.
What's next? Close. Mommy's here. Prepare for the alcohol and the what? Lysol. Is there still a Lysol? Another alcohol. Okay. Wow, social SNR. Kung ayan nag-quarantine, ayan ka SNR.
Oh my God,
Dagang
my
tao.
head.
So medyo ano, okay ang sa may style sa pagsulod sa SNR.
Daddy.
Yun niya ka sa likod.
So okay.
1.5 meters.
I-disinfect kanila. Alcohol lang gapon na measure sa temperature.
Daddy.
Pero dili kay traffic yun pagsulod. Kato lang sa kyanan. Pero hawan ang parking lot. Hawan ang parking lot. Okay, perfect. Okay, bread. So sige, unbox Ella. What did mommy first there? What did mommy bought? First.
Oatmeal.
This the other ones at first.
And popcorn.
Popcorn, then
Hey, River, close the door.
What's that?
no sweeteners. So ni pang diabetic.
Oatmeal.
I oatmeal. Ah!
40 packets for 40 days.
Then what's that? The bread.
Whitehead. Whitehead.
What?
Whitehead.
Oh, remember that one time in that video?
It's a wheat bun, so it means to say daddy can eat it, less sugar.
Yes, but still there's sugar.
No.
Yeah, there's just less.
Another wheat bread.
Oh,
Oh, thank you. I have snacks.
Oh, there's no blackheads. Remember?
Do not block the next.
Oh my God.
another bread was this.
Another
Whole
wheat.
wheat loaf jumbo.
Okay. Next, what's that, Ella?
Biscuits.
Biscuits.
We got
Okay.
pizza and graham.
Okay. Next.
Oh yeah, that's my favorite. What's that?
4 of
Laundry, I think.
Sentiva.
Disinfecting.
Disinfecting multi-surface
Cleaning.
cleaner.
Okay, what's that, Ella?
Cheetos.
Wow, that's so yummy.
These are popular in the US.
US products? Seems like we're in the US. Next.
Veggie chips.
Veggie chips. Huwag yun na bilhin. Ang disinfectant.
Okay, next.
Clorox. Huwag din siya Clorox na brand.
Cookies.
Wow, cookie. What kind of cookies is that?
Oh my God, Kuya, brown sugar. Brown sugar.
Next. There you go. Faster. Ikaw na sila itlog.
Yummy.
Next. Wow, this is yummy. I love this.
Ham.
Oh, wait, no.
Salami, beef.
Oh, it's, oh, wait. Salami.
500?
Beef salami.
540 na yung malaging unit price. Ah, tapos total of 200. Okay. Pwede na yung monog kon. Wow, salad! Can I eat this today?
Oh, there's two salad.
Nice. Wala yung ubang battery.
Daddy, grapes. My favorite. My favorite.
River. Okay, open that there.
Two full, Daddy.
Okay.
Car, na ito battery ni Daddy.
Huh?
Chicken.
We have chicken!
No, there, see Midas.
Where?
He's up there. He's up there, see that? Red.
Oh my god, that's over the agency.
Oh,
He's in the headquarters. Run!
here, he's up. He's up on this final level.
He's right there.
Where is he?
Right
Oh,
here.
I think he's like somewhere here. Yeah. He's not up here.
Tipas sa taning COVID, B. Tipas sa taning COVID, B. Niya si Kuan, B. Seryoso na ikuan, mga yog, Kuan si mo, ha. O, libre na niya. Kabalo ko, mahal ra ba kay ka? Pagsulod pala sa portahan, bayad na dayon.
Grabe sa kay mura magdauto naman nimo.
Oh, sorry. Dili na, fake news din, ha?
Binana nagit ko kawan nagit ko puango day Burns.
Fake news din, ha? Fake news din na, day?
Fake news na Burns. Di man sa makakasuan ni Burns kaya may kaso gawas kung i-libel man na nato pero di man matawag libel lang mahal.
Tungod man daw sa mahal ang kape kay Sibit Coffee man mo may nakamahal.
Amo sa social
Social man ang kape sa kuan Judith Law
Di ko
Office. Pag nagyo yung mga kay for example in fairness sa saging, what if mo nang ni mahal siya kay grabe ilang palusot wa sila moagi sa dalan kay grabe dakop gilayat na nila sa pader. Gilayat nila sa pader, gitaguan og maayo ilalom sa mga kuan baka ha. Mo na ang resulta, gamay ray nakalusot sa naandan nga ibutan to usa ka dump truck. Gamay ra mo nang ni mahal siya. So dili gid na pwede nga na.
dili pwede Burns kay ngano namang goy talagsaon nga panghitabo na gumunap nga atong gisagubang karon tibuok kalibutan ni Burns. Nga dili nimo pwede pasakyan. Sakyan nimo ang sitwasyon, ang problema.
Wait. So pasabot attorney. Kung dili lang tayo nga ni COVID, pwede na to. Kung wala ta sa nga ni nga.
Dili sa dinana kadako.
Okay. Alright, done sa akong kuan. Thank you very much, Attorney James Judith sa among Facebook Live. And this time, ato'y palupan ang drone. Nga dugay-dugay na wala na palupan.
Nice black bata. Isn't the camera broken?
No.
I thought before it was. It's like no interruptions.
No interruptions. Okay, good. DJI, there.
Yeah, that's a lucky.
Still calibrating.
What's that
Be
mean?
sure always to calibrate your drone.
What's that mean?
know it's hard when you don't get the time to do the things you gotta do. Always moving forward, always on the go. I hope you take a moment to take it slow. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Let me be
Successfully landed. Alright, that's it. It's 8:25. Another day. Everybody, let's stay at home. Please lang, di ta maglabad sa ulo. Medyo labad sa ulo. Labi ng Cagayan de Oro karon. I don't know kung kumpiyansa ra ba kita kay dili kay paspas ang growth sa affected sa Cagayan de Oro because feeling nato murag hinay kay wala mga testing kits karon dinhi. But as of today sa pag-record na ako ani sa Pilipinas
1,072.
1,772 na.
200 ka pin na naman.
Please comment below kung unsa inyong mga gipambuhat niya. Salamat day kayo sa mga kuan. Ibutan lang ko ninyong comment sa previous na kong YouTube video. I-comment na po na ko. Ibutang na ko. Salamat ani nila. That's it guys. It's Sabati. Tomorrow na sad. Yeah. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.